Stenograph's NextGen writer will revolutionize your writing experience. Featuring a sleek new design, NextGen's 8-inch edge-to-edge glass screen is 33% larger and 29% brighter than any other writer. The softest, most ergonomic writer ever. We've designed NextGen to deliver a touch up to 37% softer than previous writers, even softer than the Luminex 2. With a depth of stroke that is up to 60% shorter than previous writers, NextGen will reduce fatigue and overall strain on your hands and body while maintaining the highest level of accuracy. Plus, the tension control now features 19 positions, allowing you the flexibility to adjust to your individual writing style. NextGen offers you the option to connect directly to Stenograph Link to elevate your user experience. By granting access to Stenograph's technical support team, our knowledgeable technicians can quickly suggest adjustments to optimize your writing accuracy and translation. This cutting-edge technology allows you to easily update your writer software in a streamlined, one-step process without requiring a computer connection. Welcome to a new era of comfort, accuracy, and innovation with Stenograph's NextGen writer. For more information, visit stenograph.com/nextgen.